Welcome. Today, we're diving into a common dilemma for HR teams. Should you use CRM software or stick with spreadsheet tracking for managing your HR processes? Both tools are widely used, but each comes with its own set of strengths and weaknesses. In this video, we'll break down the differences, explore the pros and cons, and help you decide which option might be the best fit for your HR team's unique needs. Let's start by understanding what each tool actually is and how they're typically used in HR environments. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management Software, is designed to help organizations manage interactions with clients, customers, or even employees. In HR, CRM tools can be adapted to track candidate pipelines, onboarding processes, employee engagement, and more. These platforms often offer automation, reminders, and analytics, making them powerful for teams that need to manage a lot of moving parts. Let's look at how CRM software is typically used by HR professionals and why it's gaining popularity in the field. Spreadsheet tracking is the traditional approach for many HR teams. Using tools like Excel or Google Sheets, HR professionals can manually enter and organize data, such as employee records, recruitment stages, and performance metrics. Spreadsheets are flexible and familiar, making them a go-to for small teams or those with straightforward needs. However, as HR processes become more complex, spreadsheets can become cumbersome and error-prone. Next, let's compare the two approaches side by side. When it comes to ease of use, spreadsheets have the advantage of familiarity. Most HR professionals have used them at some point, and the learning curve is minimal. CRM software, on the other hand, can require more initial training, but once mastered, it streamlines many repetitive tasks. The choice here depends on your team's comfort level with technology and willingness to adapt to new tools. Collaboration is crucial for HR teams. Spreadsheets can be shared, but simultaneous editing can lead to version control issues and accidental overwrites. CRM software is built for collaboration, allowing multiple users to access, update, and track changes in real time. This makes it easier for teams to stay aligned and avoid miscommunication. Data security is a top concern for HR, given the sensitive nature of employee information. Spreadsheets, especially when shared via email or stored locally, can be vulnerable to breaches. CRM platforms often come with built-in security features like encryption, access controls, and audit trails, offering a higher level of protection for confidential data. One of the biggest advantages of CRM software is automation. HR teams can automate repetitive tasks, like sending reminders, updating candidate statuses, or generating reports. Spreadsheets, while flexible, require manual updates and are prone to human error. Automation not only saves time, but also ensures consistency across HR processes. Reporting and analytics are essential for HR decision-making. CRM platforms often include built-in dashboards and analytics tools, making it easy to visualize trends and generate insights. Spreadsheets can also be used for reporting, but creating complex charts or pivot tables requires more manual effort and expertise. CRM tools make data-driven HR management more accessible. As your organization grows, your HR processes become more complex. Spreadsheets can quickly become unwieldy with large volumes of data, leading to slow performance and increased risk of errors. CRM software is designed to scale, handling thousands of records and users without a hitch. This makes CRM a better long-term solution for growing teams. Customization is another important factor. Spreadsheets are highly customizable, allowing HR teams to design their own templates and workflows. CRM platforms also offer customization, but within the constraints of the software. Some advanced CRMs allow for custom fields, workflows, and integrations, but may require technical expertise to set up. Modern HR teams often use a variety of tools, from payroll systems to communication platforms. CRM software typically offers integrations with other business tools, streamlining data flow and reducing manual entry. Spreadsheets can be integrated using scripts or third-party add-ons, but this often requires more setup and maintenance. Cost is always a factor. Spreadsheets are usually free or included with Office software, making them budget-friendly for small teams. CRM software, especially advanced platforms, often comes with subscription fees. However, the investment can pay off in time savings and improved efficiency, especially for larger organizations. The learning curve is another consideration. Spreadsheets are straightforward, and most HR professionals are already familiar with them. CRM software can be more complex, requiring onboarding and training. However, many vendors offer tutorials and support to help teams get up to speed quickly. Human error is a common issue in HR data management. Spreadsheets are prone to mistakes, especially as data grows. CRM platforms often include validation rules, required fields, and automated checks to minimize errors. This can be a significant advantage for maintaining data accuracy and compliance. In today's mobile world, accessibility is key. Many CRM platforms offer mobile apps, allowing HR professionals to access and update information on the go. Spreadsheets can be accessed via cloud services, but mobile editing is often less user-friendly and more limited in functionality. Audit trails are important for compliance and transparency. CRM software usually tracks every change made to records, showing who did what and when. Spreadsheets may offer some version history, but it's often less detailed and harder to manage, especially with multiple users. Controlling who can view or edit sensitive HR data is critical. CRM platforms allow for granular user permissions, so you can restrict access based on roles. Spreadsheets offer basic sharing options, but fine-tuned control is more difficult to achieve, increasing the risk of unauthorized changes. CRM software can send automated notifications and reminders for important HR tasks, such as interview scheduling or document renewals. Spreadsheets lack this feature, relying on manual tracking or external calendar tools. Automated reminders help HR teams stay organized and proactive. Managing candidate pipelines is a core HR function. CRM platforms allow you to visualize and track candidates through each stage of the hiring process, often with drag-and-drop interfaces. Spreadsheets can be adapted for this purpose, but lack the visual clarity and automation that CRMs provide. Employee onboarding involves multiple steps and documents. CRM software can automate onboarding checklists, send welcome emails, and track progress. Spreadsheets can be used to list tasks, but require manual updates and follow-ups. Automation ensures a smoother onboarding experience for new hires. Tracking employee performance is easier with CRM platforms, which can store reviews, feedback, and goals in one place. Spreadsheets can be used for performance logs, but lack integration with other HR processes and can become fragmented over time. Centralized tracking supports better performance management. HR teams handle a lot of documents, from contracts to certifications. CRM software often includes document management features, making it easy to store, search, and share files securely. Spreadsheets can link to documents, but lack built-in storage and security controls. Compliance with labor laws and regulations is critical for HR. CRM platforms can help track compliance tasks, deadlines, and documentation, reducing the risk of oversight. Spreadsheets can be used for compliance checklists, but lack automated alerts and tracking features. Collecting feedback from employees is vital for HR. CRM software can automate surveys and feedback forms, compiling results for analysis. Spreadsheets can store feedback data, but collecting and analyzing responses is more labor-intensive and less dynamic. Employee engagement is easier to monitor with CRM tools, which can track participation in programs, events, and training. Spreadsheets can record this data, but lack the interactive features and reminders that keep employees involved and HR teams informed. Workflow automation is a standout feature of CRM platforms. HR teams can set up automated processes for approvals, notifications, and task assignments. Spreadsheets require manual intervention for each step, increasing the risk of delays and missed tasks. User experience can make or break a tool's effectiveness. CRM platforms are designed with user-friendly interfaces, dashboards, and guided workflows. Spreadsheets, while familiar, can become cluttered and hard to navigate as data grows. A positive user experience boosts productivity and adoption. CRM vendors typically provide customer support, regular updates, and new features. Spreadsheets rely on general office software support, which may not address HR-specific needs. Ongoing support ensures your HR tools stay current and effective. With remote work on the rise, adaptability is key. CRM platforms are cloud-based, enabling HR teams to work from anywhere and collaborate in real time. Spreadsheets can be shared via cloud services, but may lack the robust collaboration features and security of CRM tools. Data loss can be disastrous for HR. CRM platforms often include automated backups and recovery options, ensuring your data is safe. Spreadsheets may rely on manual backups or cloud storage, which can be less reliable and harder to restore in case of accidental deletion. Visualizing HR data helps teams spot trends and make informed decisions. CRM platforms offer built-in visualization tools, such as charts and dashboards. Spreadsheets can create charts, but require manual setup and are less interactive. Visualization makes data more actionable. Task management is streamlined in CRM platforms, with built-in to-do lists, assignments, and progress tracking. Spreadsheets can be adapted for task lists, but lack reminders and real-time updates. CRM tools help HR teams stay organized and meet deadlines. Recruitment analytics are vital for optimizing hiring strategies. CRM software can track metrics like time to hire, source effectiveness, and candidate conversion rates. Spreadsheets can store this data, but analyzing trends requires more manual effort and expertise. Some CRM platforms offer employee self-service portals, allowing staff to update their information, request leave, or access documents. Spreadsheets do not support self-service, requiring HR to handle all updates manually. Self-service improves efficiency and employee satisfaction. Implementing new tools requires change management. CRM adoption may face resistance due to unfamiliarity, but offers long-term benefits. Spreadsheets are easy to adopt, but may limit growth. Effective change management ensures a smooth transition and maximizes tool value. CRM vendors often provide onboarding, training, and troubleshooting support. This can be invaluable for HR teams new to the platform. Spreadsheets rely on general IT support, which may not address HR-specific challenges. Vendor support can accelerate adoption and problem resolution. Moving data between systems is easier with CRM platforms, which often support bulk import and export features. Spreadsheets can be exported or imported, but may require manual formatting and cleanup. Efficient data transfer saves time and reduces errors. User adoption is key to tool success. CRM platforms may face initial resistance, but their benefits often lead to higher long-term adoption. Spreadsheets are easy to start with, but can become limiting as needs grow. Supporting users through training and communication is essential. HR processes can be unique to each organization. CRM platforms allow for custom workflows, fields, and reports tailored to HR needs. Spreadsheets offer full flexibility, but lack automation and integration. Customization ensures your tools fit your processes, not the other way around. Time is a valuable resource for HR teams. CRM platforms automate many routine tasks, freeing up time for strategic work. Spreadsheets require manual updates and checks, which can be time-consuming. Automation leads to greater efficiency and productivity. Mistakes happen, but how you recover matters. CRM platforms often allow you to undo actions or restore previous versions of records. Spreadsheets may have limited undo options, and recovering lost data can be challenging. Robust error handling ensures data integrity. Investing in the right tool pays off over time. CRM platforms offer long-term value through automation, scalability, and improved data management. Spreadsheets may suffice for small teams, but can hinder growth and efficiency as needs evolve. Consider your future requirements when choosing a tool. Let's summarize the key differences. CRM software excels in automation, collaboration, security, and scalability, making it ideal for growing HR teams. Spreadsheets are cost-effective, flexible, and easy to use, but can become limiting as complexity increases. The best choice depends on your team's size, needs, and future plans. When deciding between CRM software and spreadsheets, consider factors like team size, data complexity, budget, and long-term goals. For small teams with simple needs, spreadsheets may suffice. For larger teams or those seeking efficiency and growth, CRM platforms offer significant advantages. Assess your priorities before making a decision. In conclusion, both CRM software and spreadsheet tracking have their place in HR management. The right choice depends on your team's current needs and future ambitions. CRM platforms offer automation, security, and scalability, while spreadsheets provide flexibility and simplicity. Take time to evaluate your options and choose the tool that will empower your HR team to succeed.